Syspro proudly presents our latest ERP release. With a focus on streamlining processes across the entire supply chain, it provides greater control and visibility, user-friendly interfaces on any device, actionable business insights for every role, and seamless adoption of new technologies as and when they happen. Here are 8 ways Syspro ERP adds value to your business. Specifically built to meet your unique industry and business needs. Run your ERP your way, on your terms, where and when you want. Empower your users with real-time actionable business insights for quicker analysis, decision-making, and execution. Digitize your business by leveraging Syspro's innovative technologies. Boost productivity and accelerate user engagement through a user-friendly platform that fosters collaboration. Future-proof your ERP investment by leveraging innovations that are relevant to your business operations now and well into the future. Personalize, customize, and design your workspace to your individual role. Get performance that meets and continually adapts to your enterprise needs, simply and cost-effectively. With Syspro ERP, the possibilities are infinite.